see a very special land plot located on Lengkok Zaaba 1, Taman Tun Dr Ismail. This corner semi-D is larger than 3,600 square feet, the average semi-D size in Taman Tun Dr Ismail. Located in an exclusive and quiet part of this township. Follow me on this home tour. This two-story semi-D gives you the opportunity to build upwards to three-story because DBKL's regulation allows it. For more information and more details on this, don't forget to watch our previous home tour where we talk a little bit more about DBKL's building regulations. Currently, this corner two-story semi-D has a land plot of 4,688 square feet or 60 feet wide and 80 feet in length.
The standard semi-D plot in TTDI is 3,600 square feet or 40 feet by 80 feet.
This house comes with 5 bedrooms and 3 baths. It has a flatline layout and faces north.
In terms of location, Lengkok Zaaba 1 is nestled in a private enclave. You will note that the Zaaba Development Road runs in a circle with Lengkok Zaaba 1 tucked within Lengkok Zaaba. It is walking distance to the Taman Zaaba Park where you can do your morning or evening walks, even bring the kids over to the playground. It is also just a stone's throw away from the TTDI commercial area where you can look forward to amenities like eateries, clinics, post office, banks and much more.
Now let's explore the home a little bit more. As you can see, the car porch is large and wide and you could easily park many cars. Here, you could park at least 3 cars. Now, if you look across your home, you will notice that there are no mega developments peering into your home, giving you quite a nice distant vantage point, overlooking upwards of your home. When you're a new family buying over this semi-D, there are endless possibilities. But firstly, what you can do is that
you can just come in with renovation. Renovation cost is about 150 ringgit per square foot based on built-up. When you want to do a calculation for that, you just take the existing built-up at about 3,500 square feet. Since this home is asking for 4 million negotiable, that would bring us to about 525,000 to renovate the place, and of course the price depends on the contractors and the IDs that you are getting. The next level would be if you're doing A&A, which is addition and alteration. Costing wise would be about 200 ringgit per square foot to 250 per square foot. And you can actually expand out more space, but that really depends on what kind of expansion you want to do. But most of the time, clients choose to either renovate, if not, they will go for the third option, which is to do a complete tear down. This being a 2-story landed that has the opportunity to build 3-story, you can just reference some of the neighbors in the surrounding area on how high they have actually gone up to really further expand the entire space, and the total built-up area is pretty flexible. It can go up to 6,000 or even 7,000 square feet of built-up. And you just need to multiply that by 400 ringgit per square foot. So in today's market, let's say you want to build up to 6,000 square feet of built-up area, you are looking at approximately 2.4 million as your rebuild cost.
And add that back into your original purchase price, and that should give you the final figure for your brand new home. But of course, you'll need to balance that off on whether you need that kind of space and want to expand and spend 1 to 2 years rebuilding. Because the current land plot is huge and the layout is pretty good. Unless you're looking for the 7 to 8 bedder kind of configuration. Otherwise, the current 5 bedder setup should be sufficient for your family. The entrance is right here, and because the land plot is level, you'll find it extremely friendly for the disabled and the elderly. As you enter the home, you will notice the flatline layout, again keeping it friendly for the disabled and elderly. Come, let's check out the living and the dining room. As you can see, the living space is super large, and you can further enhance this space with floor-to-ceiling windows.
You can update this space with wooden louvers,
and that would give your home a very resort aesthetic. And you can also have your dining flow out to the garden.
The dining area looks out to the majestic garden area, where you could easily build a patio or trellises here as a hangout barbecue place. You could also build a pool here so you could host poolside parties right here. There is a room and bathroom here, and tucked on this side is the kitchen area.
What I love is how much space you have here. You could easily turn this into a maid's room, have your wet kitchen and a laundry area. Or do some simple renovation to turn this into your backyard dining zone. Let's head on upstairs.
Upstairs, you have 4 rooms and 2 baths with a family area. The master bedroom is large with its own ensuite, of course. There is a large family area and another 2 rooms tucked to the back. For perspective, we can divide the property segments into 4 categories. Category 1 needs rebuild. Category 2 requires A&A. Category 3 newer landed properties. Category 4 brand new landed properties. This home belongs to Category 2 and a semi-D that's extra large with a land size that is 4,688 square feet. When you look at some of our available listings that are similar in size in a great location, you'll find that this land plot size is a rarity, with most of the semi-Ds going at 3,600 square feet. Similar semi-Ds within this specific area transacted between 2.8 to 3.1 for both Cat 1 and Cat 2, or 777 per square foot to 875 per square foot.
This 4,688 square feet semi-D is asking for 4 million negotiable, or 853 ringgit per square foot. If you're interested to find out more, give me a call or drop me a text. For more TTDI options, head to our website at www.yinhomes.my. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to catch our next home tour feature. I'm Yin Ping from Yin Homes, always happy to show you the place.